showing you how to make an arrow machine gun. I did do this in a very recent video, but that one had failed because I had it upside down.
It only happens when the sun goes down. My night one way,
Go like that
my day another.
and start shooting. The highest or furthest it can go is probably 100 blocks. You can make it like this. But I'll do that in another video.
When I was a little girl, a witch cast a spell on me.
So first you go like get your opal blanks, get whatever, and you go like this.
This horrible, ugly beast.
And then
I was placed in a
you go
tower
like
to await
that.
the day my true love would rescue me. That's why I have to marry Lord Farquaad tomorrow before the sun sets and he sees me.
Okay.
All right.
So you're gonna leave those 2 blocks out, and then you're gonna get some. And you're, that.
I'm a princess. And this is not how a princess is meant to look.
Princess, how about if you don't
Get
marry
rest done.
Farquaad?
I have to. Only my true love's kiss can break the spell.
Go like this.
But you know, you're kind of an ogre, and Shrek. Oh, you gotta let him come.
Shrek?
Princess, how's it going, first of all? Good? Good for me too. I'm okay. I saw this flower and thought of you because it's pretty and, well, I don't really like it, but I thought you might like it because you're
So-
pretty. But I like you anyway.
Here we go, and you gotta get all the. Make sure nobody sees the red stuff. I'm going to do fast code with that. So first we need to get some.
Who could ever love
Air.
me so hideous and ugly? Princess and ugly don't go together. That's why I can't stay here with Shrek. My only chance to live happily ever after is to marry my true love. Don't you see, Monkey? That's just how it has to be.
Hey, D'Angelo Russell, who inspired you to play basketball?
Do my dad. And, I had great coaches.
You have to fill it on with these 64 arrows.
The sauce in the Play-Doh kitchen are sizzling showtime. As noodle making mania sets in.
So 3 more now.
One masterpiece will take shape and
For me, it's
selection from Play-Doh. Individual play sets each sold separately. Batteries not included.
You guys will probably like an arrow behind me. So that's 4. Okay. It's pretty simple. I have the glass there because like I want to see it shooting. Oh, you can see the arrows right now. But wait right now. You can do this with an arrow. And I just felt like doing it with a button. And as you can see, that one shot all the way right there. Out there. It's just a really good thing done for like this guy. It's probably 30 blocks. It probably does 100 blocks. Wow, and think, but it doesn't have to be a button, because if you put the button, it just, I'm not saying it works better, I'm just saying I like doing it with a button better. I feel like it shoots a little further, the button. Because it lets it like generate for a moment. You can do that with the lever and it generate, but like you don't want to waste your time. Oh, that one's a rocket. That one's way.
When I have a breakout from eczema, I feel like I'm not me anymore. I feel like I'm in this shell.
Gold Bond Eczema Relief.
This is probably,
Frustrating symptoms
this I said that was like 30.
I got my skin back.
Gold Bond.
The new Play-Doh Touch Shape to Life Studio. Whatever you create,
This is about 23 maybe.
just shape.
I really like the gun.
Explore with the Play-Doh Touch Shape to Life Studio.
You can go like
Device is not
that on
included.
the
Ask your parent
side.
before downloading the Play-Doh
But
Touch app.
again, it really does work with your a lever. I like it with a lever. And I'm just gonna switch this out. We're gonna shoot as far. So you can do like really fast. That's more of the machine gun than a button because it shoots way further and faster.
Fancy basic fundamental dribbling.
All-Star Jam!
Only way to break the spell.
You at least gotta tell Shrek the truth.
No, you can't read the word. No one must ever know.
So I'm just picking up these arrows. So you guys can try it out. Get yourself a pat on the back because it's done. It's really easy to do. And that's it, guys.